everyone, I am Purnima Digdarsani from Jagatsinghpur, Odisha. I am pursuing B.Ed second year in Kurukshetra University. Today I am going to tell about the whole examination system. So let's start. As we all know about current situation, that is corona pandemic, which is rapidly spreading all over the world, and the outbreak is very rigorous to feel. Along with this corona situation, our Union Education Minister, that is Sir Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, had decided to conduct all the terminal examinations via blended mode, that is both by online and offline, by using paper and pen. My examination also conducted via blended mode. I am also using video conferencing call and pen and paper mode. As Kurukshetra University has NAAC A+ grade, its examination also strict and easy to appear for all students. There were no cheating, and we feel like physical we had our paper in our examination hall. Those who are interesting to join B.Ed, or those who have failed to join in state B.Ed, my suggestion to them that they will go for Kurukshetra University B.Ed, because this Kurukshetra University is the best university for B.Ed, which is affiliated with Utkal University and 100% equivalent with Utkal University's syllabus. Last thing, the institution which you have to go for your admission, that is in your fingertip. Go search in Google and you will find the Sai institution, which is situated in Bhubaneswar IRC village Noyapalli N1/183, and my institution also Sai institution. I also prefer Sai institution to all students. This institution being provide studies and learning for students better learning since 12 years, and the faculties members are very experienced and very helpful and cooperating to students. The syllabus, the study materials also provided by this institution is the best referential for students, and this institution also provide the facilities for hostels, both for boys and girls, and also provide the integrated course, teaching course like CTT, OTT, OSTT, which students can easily crack all these entrance examinations as well. Go for Sai institution, keep visiting Sai institution, and become a teacher.